If you were a stay-at-home mom and you have overwhelming stay-at-home mom guilt because you couldn't contribute to the finances, you need to watch this video. Hi, I'm Michelle. I was a stay-at-home mom and I loved every minute of that. I wouldn't trade it for anything. But what got me was I couldn't contribute financially to our finances, and that was hard. And we had 2 daughters, and my husband was a union carpenter, and if he didn't work, he didn't get paid. We didn't take vacations because when you don't work, you don't get paid. So we did our best raising our girls. Once they were gone, up and out and on their own, I was kind of left still with this guilt, but now I was older and I had no real work skills to speak of. So I didn't really think that I was all that hireable at my age and work experience. But I kept looking online. I almost went back into network marketing. I was real close, and I thought, I can't do that. I hated the compensation plan. I hated calling friends and family. I hated begging people to have parties for you. I hated, texting people when I hadn't talked to them in years and, hey, want to have a party for me? It was, I still think I have a little PTSD from that, to be honest. But seriously, I didn't want to do that. And I was scrolling on YouTube one day and I came across this video of this gal who was about my age, and she was talking about how she was really short on retirement and what she did to change that situation. And I thought, no, I can relate to her. She's a mom and a grandma and about my age. And I thought, what is she doing? And she was telling me about this digital marketing business program that she was in. And she said, you don't have to have any skills, which was great. You didn't have to be techie, which was really good because I know enough tech to be dangerous, basically. She said it's a done-for-you system. There are no monthly fees, and you can do it in 2 hours a day. You work 2 hours a day and get your work done to build your business, and you keep 100% of the profit. And if you've ever been in like network marketing or an affiliate marketer, you only keep a percentage of something that you sell. And so this really had me interested. And she said, go ahead and grab this blueprint. It'll show you what I'm doing. It's free. You just put your email in and I'll send it to you. I said, great. She goes, if you still have questions after that, watch the video I'm going to send you. And she said, if you still have questions after that, go ahead and message me. I didn't really have any questions after I watched the video. All my questions were answered, and I got started. And it's changing our life. And if anything about my story resonated with you, I want you to grab this blueprint. It's my gift to you, basically. It is free. It'll change the way you look at online marketing. And you don't have to go into network marketing. Thank goodness. All right, go ahead and put your, go ahead and check out the link in my bio or comment on this video blueprint, and I will be glad to send it to you. Okay, great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.